Wait, that awkward. You're in the background. Okay, back again. Chase. Whoa. Oh, like you. This is my dino jacket. Do you see the dinosaur stuff? Yeah. I'm a dinosaur, and you're
And
pretty jealous of it. And a kitty. Whoa. And I got a lighter and a hand sail. How am I supposed to use this again?
Hannah. No, don't do that. Don't.
Why?
Cut. Here. Oh,
I did it. Fire. Oh, I can't use those. I will light everything on fire.
I just love how I have random lighters in here. Don't put it in your mouth.
I wasn't going to.
No, that's on my wall. That's no.
Okay, this is like, you're probably seeing this in a sideways view because camera's sideways. Because I could.
It's not sideways. It's slanted.
Whatever. You want it to be sideways? Okay.
No, actually, I really don't.
You don't know how to do this. Okay. It's sideways now. Okay. No, that was holding it up. Why did you have that idea?
You brought it to me?
Okay, anyways, that is Hannah. The person that lives across the street from me. What was I supposed to say? Oh yeah. Our children are Garfunkel and Simon. I believe that's what you said. I showed her the video because your voice makes me smile. What did you think about his voice?
I thought it was amazing.
She thought it was amazing. I called you a he at first. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's
It's sick, it's sexy fine, so let's go. Uh-oh. Let's go. I saw that on your mirror. I'm sorry. Ow! Didn't do it. Anyways, I'll post the hot topic thing. You're supposed to be finding that USB thing.
Hold on.
Do you have a candle in here?
I'm not giving it to you.
Slowly raise it up. And grow old. You gotta go. Fire.
I like this song.
I love you, I never wanna let
Okay.
you.
Hold on, there's
Hannah Marie Thunder, to be completely responsible, truthful, respectful,
My mom made me write
do
that.
everything I'm asked because I'm told. Because I won't. Not because I'm told, because I want to.
Yeah, my mom made me write that. Hey, Hannah.
Can I set her on fire?
No! This is what sucks about sharing a room with my little sister. No, Hannah, I have nothing to put that in. No.
I'll blow it out. Probably.
Yeah, blow it out. That thing could catch on fire. Don't you understand that, son?
Oh.
I'm gonna catch your balls on fire.
No! Okay. Gotta end this video because it's over. Okay. Bye. Hold on. Let's see if I could do this. No. Ow. Why the... Once you... Okay. Yeah. Here. Let's try this again. MFer. Are you out?
Are you?
Okay, got it. Yeah. Bye. I love you, I think. Yeah.
I have a random dentist company on my shirt.
Burns Dentistry. Okay. Anyways.
'Cause he
bye.
burns.
Ah! You just caught my hair on fire. Oh, my kitty hair on fire. Meow.
Oh, you're talking about that and you're right in front of the camera going meow.
Meow. Okay. Anyways, bye. Love you guys. You and Sunny. Okay, bye.
Like seriously.